Alright, quickly in this video I want to show you how to disassemble Tecno Pop 5. Tecno Pop 5 is BD4j. This particular phone, BD4j. So if you want to disassemble this phone, it's simple. The first thing you should do, put off the phone. After which, quickly remove the SIM tray. And then from the edge, take a flat object like the one I'm holding and bile it out gently. One thing I always tell people, if you want to disassemble of the Tecno phone, start from this SIM spot because it's softer here. You can see I'll be able to even do that now with my nails. You see? So just start from that SIM tray side. It will be easier for you to do from that edge. You can see. Alright. That is all. Just unscrew all the nuts. It's as simple as that. Unscrew it. Alright, once you are done removing the screws, then you see, of course, the fingerprint. Then the next thing, unclip the battery and then you take off the battery. Please be very careful so you don't damage the battery as well. This is the battery. And unscrew this. Once you are done with that, take off this cover again. This is where the downboard is. Okay, this is the downboard. Particular one is the downboard, and that is all. Okay, this flash is from the screen. So that is all for this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload a video you get it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye for now.